box. Alright, you may be wondering, what's inside it? Oh, 3077. I've been waiting for this for so long. It's been in like Sacramento for kind of a long time, but it's finally here. Brand new in box. Ta-da! Right as you open the box. Ah, it's got a plastic base too. This looks like it's been outside. Look at this goofy little button. You'll notice there's absolutely no markings on the back. That's because the bracket's already on here. Slide to remove. Up. There you go. One old Duracell battery. Ah, that slide even tore up this label a little. That can be easily fixed. There we go. The Pyrotector. Mounting equipment, don't care. Ew. Ew, 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 ew. That is... Come on, get out. Ew, look at that negative terminal. That's just gross. No wonder Duracells are so horrible. 1984 is my guess. 1984. We've got to look at the manuals. Smoke detector warning. Yeah, smoke detectors do warn. I'll give you that. What is this? Oh, no, it's one of these things. You could have saved some customers by not making it one of these. Actually, it's pretty good because it doesn't fold outward. Yeah, detector orientation. Low battery, maintenance specifications, locations to avoid. Ah, the garage. Yep. It actually gives you some good things to consider with safety. Oh, and it comes with a warranty. Oh, Grinnell fire protections. It's simplex. Time for the moment the neighbors hate. Or not. I don't really care. Huh. Touching terminals and nothing's really happening. For the most part, it's turning out really well. Let's see what happens when I do this. I think that is the lowest pitched horn out of any of my alarms. Incredible! For comparison, here is a Black & Decker SMK 6DM3. Listen to its horn. Now listen to the horn of the Pyrotector thing. This doesn't even come close. But seriously, I've never heard a horn as low-pitched as this thing. And that wasn't this, it was this. For wall mounting this end up, guys, I just slide it on like that. There we go. Hey, shut up. This thing, be quiet. Let me do this. Yeah, that'll get you to shut up. This is actually a pretty good smoke detector. Huh. Will it go off to... Hey! Shut up! That's it. You are deprived of battery privilege. So from first impressions, this thing is crazy good. Like, the horn is deep, it looks goofy. Don't mind the corroded battery, I can't find it, but will it go off to smoke? Okay, you can shut up now. It works. It actually works. It goes off when it senses smoke and shuts up. It's actually a smoke detector. And it's good because it doesn't decay. It's photoelectric. But look, star buzzer. Here's the code thing to set your code. I think it's set to like 167. That's like the default code on these. And yeah, it just blinked. Look, that proves my theory. 1984. I don't know if this will work on the BA5000 that I have, but I have a theory because since this is like the exact same like code selector, it might be able to communicate with it. But yeah, for reference, another test. I'm gonna cover the buzzer too, because it's loud. Very loud. Yeah, this thing is amazing.